Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'll show you the correct way to manage photo backups using iCloud and Google Photos on your iPhone. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. At the top, tap on your Apple ID where your name is displayed. Next, go into iCloud and then tap on Photos. Now, make sure Sync This iPhone is turned on. This ensures your iPhone is always synced with iCloud properly. Open the Google Photos app. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in, tap on your profile icon at the top right. Find the backup option. Here's the key part. Turn on backup in Google Photos. This way, Google Photos will act like a gallery app without duplicating backups. You'll save Google Drive space and avoid unnecessary photocopies. Now your iPhone will owe backup photos to iCloud and Google Photos, also keeping things clean and simple. If you found this video helpful, feel free to leave a like and subscribe for more awesome tips. Thanks for watching and see you in next one.